Hey everyone, want to build research workflows in NotebookLM? In this video, I'll show you how to create an organized research process and use NotebookLM to work more efficiently step by step. First, open your web browser and go to the NotebookLM website. Sign in with your Google account and create a new notebook. Next, define your research goal and decide what information you need to collect. Having a clear objective helps you organize your sources and ask better questions. Now gather your research materials, such as PDFs, articles, reports, documents, notes, and other relevant sources. Upload your sources into NotebookLM and organize them by topic, project, or research stage. Once your documents are added, wait for NotebookLM to process and understand your information. Next, create a research workflow by using NotebookLM for different tasks, such as summarizing documents, extracting key insights, comparing sources, and identifying important trends. Ask focused questions to analyze your materials and create structured outputs like notes, outlines, summaries, and research briefs. Next, review the AI-generated responses and check the source references to make sure the information is supported by your original documents. Save useful prompts and create repeatable steps that you can use for future research projects. Finally, update your notebooks regularly by adding new sources, organizing information, and improving your workflow over time. And that's how to build research workflows in NotebookLM. By creating a structured process and using AI-powered document analysis, you can research faster, stay organized, and get deeper insights from your information. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe for more easy technology guides.